Okay guys, let's go for the articulations. Going from the head, so you can rotate it from left to right. Then meron din siyang gigiri-gigiri. Nice one. When it comes to shoulder naman, nahihinder siya nung kanyang part doon, which is yung kanyang shoulder pads. Pero pwede mo naman siyang iangat. So meron din siyang lower pivot para doon sa kanyang iconic pose. The elbows comes with the almost 90 degrees. Next one is yung kanyang kamay. Naro-rotate yan. So wala siyang out hands, ano po. So yun lang yung out niya. Then when it comes to ab crunch, napakaganda na kanyang ab crunch. I love it. Then yung kanyang hips or waist, meron siyang side flap movement, front flaps. So nice. Sa back flap naman, no movement. Going to the lower part, which is yung part na ako talagang trip na trip ko. Dahil meron siyang lowering mechanism, which is napakagandang part nun. So when it comes to the leg part, is you can rotate it. This one. Then napakaganda rin ng kanyang tuhod. Next one is the foot side. So you can rotate it from side to side. Meron din siyang front movement. So yung back movement ay nahihinder ng kanyang booster. So yeah, what an awesome kit. Up next is the backpack, which is kasama sa backpack yung kanyang Infernus Railgun, also known as the LFPG, na napakaangas tingnan. Wings are movable, especially dun sa part na yun. Then you can rotate it up and down, side to side. So napakaganda ng kanyang design kasi meron siyang mechanism na both wings can be moved from up and down. So yeah, all in all, highly recommendable kit. And for the